Well, it's not every day that we get to welcome a new family member in the Live Good family. So, ladies and gentlemen, we got something that's pretty cool and it complements what I somehow am selling to my friends. When they found out I was an affiliate with Live Good, I started buying, Super Reds and Super Greens before I was an affiliate, and I like to save money. I was saving easily 50 something bucks a month from Super Beats and all the other products that are pretty damn high. And when they found out I sold CBD oil and I showed them the 750 milligram for 18 bucks a bottle and the massive 1500 milligram bottles for only 26 bucks, plus a couple bucks for shipping from Florida, they freaked out because, it's anywhere from $70 to $90. So I have to stock this. Well, I got a bottle right here. Corey, the CBD guy. If you're in Salt Lake City, just get a hold of me and I'll meet you at 7-Eleven. Sell you this, a couple bucks over wholesale. I'm so dumb I don't even make money on the street. But buy me a Slurpee if we meet at 7-Eleven. Okay. Well, I guess I'll shrink my face here. Ladies and gentlemen, there's a brand new product. And boy, it's a powerful little bastard too. A CBD pain relief cream. Reading about it, it's awesome. Most of this cream's anywhere from $50 to $60 to $70. It's kind of nice if you can buy 4 ounces of a bottle and just put it on your joints. You rub it on your skin. It says it's instant. Within 1 or 2 minutes. Joint pain relaxes your muscles, and it's got 2,000 milligrams of CBD oil in each can that you see there. So if you're a member of Live Good, $19.95, and if you live in America, it's a couple bucks. That's not really that big a container. Most of my shipping's anywhere from $2 to $5 from Florida to Salt Lake, unless I do a heavier product like protein powders and coffees and order like 6 or 7. Then my shipping's probably about 10. But it's with tracking. But you can read about it. If you just click these 3 little icons here, you can see where you can blow this up and read the ingredients, check out just all the details. And there you go. But pretty cool. I had no idea, but nano CBD, it says 2,000 milligrams. And I don't know what CBG is. I know CBGBs. That was a hard rock cool club the Ramones and Blondie played in New York. But anyway, that looks like a pretty high dose. Man, you're going to feel pretty good, man. So anyway, just read about the description and the active ingredients. You can read right here when you get a chance. And just in comparison, one thing about Live Good is the company just finds direct competition, just straight from stores, Amazon, wherever. Deep here with doTERRA, it's going to be 45, 50 bucks. And when you get to the hemp extract, it's going to be 70 bucks. That's what it is. So if you read our ingredients, these are definitely comparable, but ours is better in my opinion. It looks better, and the price is sure a lot better. And as far as retail, 30 bucks is still a deal. You're still saving 20, 30 bucks. So it's brand new. If you are in Live Good, go ahead and just go in your back office where you can shop, in the product section. Just scroll down a little bit and you can't miss it. We also have CBD oil for dogs and pets. It's chicken flavored. I keep writing the company, make cocoa pebbled flavored CBD oil. Nothing yet, but here's the one for pets. If you want to learn more about it, I'll just click it real quick. All right, it's 300 milligram. And if pets have anxiety traveling down the highway, maybe you got to take them on an airplane. But, sometimes they get nervous on 4th of July. They freak out at the explosions of the sparklers to firecrackers. But a human being, you just put a couple drops underneath your tongue and let it absorb. And same thing with dogs. They'll pretty much slurp up anything if it's chicken flavored. It's only 14 bucks. That's kind of cool. I love pets probably more than people, actually, when I think about it. And right here, let's see, where's our CBDBGB? There we go. Okay, and I was telling you about it earlier. Yeah, 750 milligram. It's only 18 bucks. You can get the bad boy, 1,500. That's what all my friends want here in Salt Lake City. It's only 26 bucks, a couple bucks shipping, and it's right in your pocket if you want to get a membership to Live Good. And it's natural or peppermint flavored. I took advice from someone and they said, you know what, the peppermint, it's kind of, if you don't really like it, you're kind of stuck with it. And and the natural, I bought it, and it just tastes like water. And my one friend complimented. He's like, you know what? I love it because number one, it's cheap and it's a good product, but the taste, because he hates the rival CBD oil. It lasts all day, I guess, with a weird aftertaste, and it makes sense since you're putting it under your tongue. But the natural, that's what I'd recommend. It's just kind of like water. That way, you just put it under your tongue, let it absorb. Do it in the morning, afternoon. You guys know CBD. It's selling billions, and I love that we're so much dramatically cheaper than, of course, Young Living. They kill it. $80. That's just what you're going to pay. And Green Roads, they're a great brand, but you're going to pay $90. If you look at our ingredients, please do. They're just as good. If you look at the ingredients and everything else, our product even looks better. The reason ours is cheaper is the middleman, the middle men and women are out. This is just freshly made. You're getting it straight from Jupiter's distribution center. Okay, it's barely enough to break even. We're more focused. We're a membership type of company like Costco and Legal Shield and AAA and on to the break of dawn. But the philosophy of LiveGood is not to just absolutely retail this, because if you're in a store like a GNC or selling this for a living, you got a profit. So if you buy from us wholesale, you can sure in the heck retail it. The only one dumb enough not to make money on this is me. And that's because when my friends call and say, hey, do you got a bottle of this? And I'm like, yeah. So I love my friends, though. And if this makes them feel better for less than $20, man, you bet your butt. That's a pretty good deal. So, but I thought I'd make a real quick video. This was just released today. And it's fun. We have some other really killer products. I was telling a friend's wife about it the other day. It's collagen. And I don't really know collagen, but she just freaked out and said, oh my God, yeah, I take this every day. It's about $75 to $90 for this plastic jar. And I overheard a Zoom meeting the other day with our company, and they want to get the collagen out and just have a super high grade of collagen. Keep it around $30. So you're going to save about 40, 50, maybe even $60 off a comparable brand. And usually our products are better, which is kind of cool. It makes me proud to wear this super cool $12 hat that I bought, and that was a couple bucks for shipping. So I bought a blue one and a green one and a baby blue one, and I might as well blow my big fat face up, and you can see I kind of like hats. Covers my ugly head, and I love my tortoise shell glasses. I got a whole bunch of other ones, but this one, I don't know, it makes me feel cool. I'm like ready to run fast like a cheetah. Or is this a zebra? I don't really know my animal pelts. I guess I should get out and, is that a tortoise shell or is that just like some type, or they look kind of like Bret Michaels of Poison. Remember when he wore those little spandex pants running around singing Nothing But a Good Time? I think I got Bret Michaels spandex colored eyeglasses on. Cool. I feel badass. Bret's butt cheeks are in my face right now. This is like not going well, and I should probably redo this video. All right, LiveGood. If you guys want to join, look at the opportunity to buy wholesale or do this as a business. I hope you do. I think it's awesome. Right below, you can click the link, joincorey.com or pleasewatchvideo.com. And that's it. So right on, I just wanted to say welcome to the family, CBD oil with cream. That's right. You don't drink it or eat it. You rub it on your skin. So yeah, it's a cool cream. All right. Welcome to the family. Okay, I'm out of here. I'm going to go have me a pretzel and wash it down with the milk because I rock like that. I'm living good.